guys, so this is part 4 of my room transformation. So this one, in this version, I'm gonna be doing my LED light. I'm gonna watch video on how to do it because I don't know how to do it, but yeah, I'm just gonna watch video and do it, and I will show you guys, you know, up there and so on. After that, I'll probably go and sleep because you're going sleepy. Okay, she's sleeping. This is the LED light. Okay, so we have the remote. And this thing, okay. What else we have this trap. I'm gonna figure out this thing later. This thing, I think this is to stick it on the wall or something. And we need that. Cleaning wipe. Dirt from where? I don't know where to remove the dirt from, but we have this thing. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna have to call my dad to fix this because I don't know what is happening on this. But you know, I need to be myself and let's do this thing. Just be myself and do this thing. The left hair cannot be fixed on a sharp edge. Strip should not be crushed or strips should color one. The leather must not exceed 5 meters when in a DC surface. Oh my gosh, I don't like this electronic kind of thing. Electronic is not my thing. It's oh yeah, this is 32.5 feet, I think. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, this is 30. Hey, so they've taped it down. What am I supposed to do now? Do I just remove it? Like what? Okay, I removed it. Just remove. Oh, I don't know this thing. Let's watch YouTube video. That's what YouTube is for. To watch video if you don't understand things. I should even try it out to see how the color looks like actually. Let's test it like that. I mean, try and not test.
Here comes Santa Claus right down Santa Claus Lane. Mixing the bricks and all his reindeers pulling off.
Okay guys, so apparently there was an adapter. Do that. So we're gonna try it, okay, to see how it looks like, how cute it is. Wait, how do I even plug that? Oh yeah. So it says to plug the adapter. Plug it to the wall. So we're gonna see how the babe looks like. Oh my god. Oh my god. Shut up. This is so pretty. Like what? Oh baby. Okay, let me do it without filter. Okay, without filter. Oh my gosh. Like look at this babe. Let me do what people are always doing. Okay, so how do I do this? Okay, so I'll just on it. Do I have to put battery in this? I'm trying to work this thing out. I don't know how. Oh, never mind. Never mind. I had to remove this thing from the bottom. I fixed it. Stop with the filter or whatever, but like purple is so. Let me see, because I don't know how to do this thing. So let's do quick. Is this quick? Wow, slow. Wow, smooth. Slow. Auto. Oh. Flash. Fade. Jump. 1 hour, 8 hours. Guys, please comment down below how long, like, is it good for me to put it for 8 hours, like when I'm sleeping, anything should just be on by itself, or I could just off it. I think that's good or not. Okay, so working it. Anyways guys, let me fix it. Just getting anxious, like I'm like, oh my god, I need to fix this thing because it's making me I want shock.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He doesn't care if you're rich or poor, he loves you just the same. Santa Claus knows we're all God's children, that's it.
So guys, I figured it out already. So I saw this girl's video, she put it like this. So I don't know, so maybe it's gonna be as much as this, it's gonna probably come over there. Yeah, and let's see how this goes. I'm really nervous on this, but let's put on wraps.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Mixing the bricks and all his reindeers pulling on the rein. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. Hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
Oh, by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. Have a holly.
So I'm done. See, I put it right there, the last one. I was thinking of putting it over there, turn around, but it's not gonna look good. I don't know, but yeah, it's the finish. Honestly, it's 32.8 feet, and no, this is how it looks like. I started from here, start from there, work my way up. Guys, this was my first time putting this thing on, and it was like, it was very hard for me. Like, you can see that thing right there. Zoom in. Right there, you can see. I didn't put it very well. But, and you can see the thing is right there. But, we're not going to talk about that. And it's like lopsided. But it came out great. Oh my god. It's cute. I wanted to take it like there, but I didn't know how it would look. I don't know why, but I didn't know how it would look, and it looked good. So yeah. Okay guys, let's change color. I don't know. Is that like neon or green? Like, you guys, I'll show you guys at night. Full version. Make it bright. Okay. Let's make it that color. And let's leave it on. It's so gorgeous, yeah. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Okay guys, it's night already. Like, it's literally dark. I think it's 6, yeah. And this is how it looks like at night. That is the color blue. That is the color neon, I think green. Yeah. Green, blue. Whatever this color is, purple, orange, neon, purple, let's do it. Increase, increase, smooth, quick, slow. Auto. Whoa, this one, whoa. I don't like that auto, it's very flashy, and this is flashy. I don't like something too flashy. This is fade. I like this fade one because it's too calm. And this is jump. My eyes is literally going blind. And this is jump too. I like that auto. And let's put it in store black. Actually, you put it slow. Yeah, this one is my favorite zone because it's not flashy on my eyes. So yes, that is the outcome, guys. Yeah, love it. 10 over 10. So guys, that is, I've finished. Like, that is me unboxing and installing my LED lights. It's been a process. I've done like a lot today. So the last one I'm gonna do is again my wall. I have my posters up so they look good around my midlights. I mean, they look good, but like they need to look good, okay? And yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe. I have to pack all those clothes. I have to arrange my room. That one's another different video. Yes, I don't know why my sister is not upgrading her room, but it's because I bought a new bed, so I need to upgrade everything. Yeah, I'll see you guys on, I think this is part 3. Yeah, I'll see you guys on part 4. Go watch part 4 after this part 3. Oh, sorry, go watch part 3, which is my K-pop poster, and this is the 4th one. Yeah, bye.